Hi there, and welcome to Learn English with Kaz. If you're learning English and want a calm, simple way to improve, you're in the right place. Each episode is short, friendly, and focused on one small thing: a word, a phrase, or a real-life conversation. It's also a great way to practice your listening and get used to the natural rhythm of English.
Today's English practice is something fun and powerful. It's called shadow practice. That means you'll listen to me. Then repeat what I say, just like a shadow. It's one of the best ways to sound more natural in English and feel more confident in real conversations. Let's begin. We'll start with a few simple, positive sentences, great for mornings or anytime you need a boost. Today is a fresh start. I'm ready to learn and grow. I choose to speak with confidence. My English gets better every day. Now let's move into small talk, the kind of friendly conversation you might have during the day. Hi there, how's your day going? It's nice to see you. I had a busy morning, but I feel good. I'm learning new words all the time. Next, we'll talk about you, your daily life, your interests, and your routine. I live in a small town, but I love it. I work during the day and study at night. In my free time, I like to relax and read. English is helping me connect with more people. Let's end with some powerful mindset phrases. These help build confidence and keep you motivated. I am learning, I am improving. I am enough. Mistakes are part of the journey. Every step I take brings me closer to fluency. I can do this. You did great today. Shadowing helps your brain and your voice work together, like a real conversation. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Thanks for practicing with me. Let's close with this. Fall. Just don't stay down.
Thanks for joining me today on Learn English with Kaz. If you found this helpful, follow the podcast and share it with someone else learning English too. For more support, check out the Learn English with Kaz YouTube channel. You'll find lots of helpful content like English quizzes, short stories, real-life phrases, and word of the day lessons. There's always something new to help you practice and grow your confidence. Until next time, take care, keep listening, and keep learning.